Assalamu alaikum, you're watching Art with Kiran Salman. In this video, I will tell you the easiest technique of making a beautiful painting of calligraphy. For that, required materials are canvas, glitter, white glue, black acrylic paint, and flat brushes of 6 and 2 number. I am using black and gold combination. You can make any other of your own choice. I have done the calligraphy of the name of our Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If you are new to my channel and don't know the easiest trick of calligraphy, then click on the above link and watch the tutorial. In first step, I am covering the canvas with black acrylic paint with flat brush 6 number for bigger parts and 2 number for narrow areas.
سأتي الشجر نطق الحجر شق القمر
Leave the calligraphic part blank and fill black color in the negative space or background. Once the paint gets dried, apply white glue in positive space, that is our calligraphic part. Use the brushes accordingly, but you have to be quick in this work.
अंगुष्ठ के एक इशारे से अल्लाहु 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 अल्लाह अल्लाहु 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 अल्लाह कंजुल तरमी.
When you have applied glue, sprinkle glitter and cover it properly and leave it to dry for approximately 2 to 3 hours. Take a dry brush and dust out all the extra glitter. Take any container and collect all the glitter in it so that you can use it again. Repeat the process of applying second layer of glue and glitter for better result.
Allahu 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 Allah Allahu 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 Allah Jibrilu ata laylata asra wa rabbu dhahu li hadratihi Jibril ami पैगामी खुदा लेकर आए थे शबे असरा अल्लाह ने अर्श पे बुलवाया कुर्बत का शरफ उनको बख्शा। अल्लाहु 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 अल्लाह अल्लाहु 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 अल्लाह फमुहम्मदुन।
You can repeat this process one more time if it is required. In the end, apply second coat of black paint for furbished look.
सो मुहम्मद हैं अपने आका, इसी नाम से अपनी ये सुबका।
Beautiful calligraphy painting is ready. If you like this video, please write it in the comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
La ilaha illallah.